Hi guys, and welcome to get another excited video tutorials. Note that 9 colors, width 800 and height 450 pixels. Create rectangle. Gradient. If you don't show that, then go to Window. Gradient. Pick up color code 1 and 2. Type any text as you want. Select any font. Fill none. Appearance. If you don't show that, then go to Window. Appearance. Add new fill. Stroke none. Fill 1. Add gradient. Pick up color code 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Fill 1. Copy. Fill 2. Pick up color code 2. Add offset path 3 pixels. Add drop shadow 0, 2, 4 pixels. Fill 2. Copy. Fill 3. Add gradient. Pick up color code 1 and 2. Change offset path 14 pixels. Delete drop shadow. Fill 3. Copy. Fill 4. Pick up color code 2. Change offset path 17 pixels. Fill 4. Copy. Fill 5. Add gradient. Pick up color code 8 and 9. Change offset path 19 pixels. Add transform effect 99.8%. Vertical 0.2 pixels. 50 copies. Add drop shadow 0.6, 4 pixels. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like that, then subscribe, like and share.